Hey everyone, today we're going show y'all how to check battery on your Go Flip phone. This is a prepaid phone. This is from NTT. So let's get started. Is open up if open this. I hope you can see. First you go into the menu. You cannot able to see. Let's go to. You cannot able to see it because I don't know. Now you should be able to see. So go into settings. Right here, go into device and click select. Right now, that means I got a 29% battery because this focus camera. So let me know, comment below what you think of this phone. Also, I got this case from online. If you want to get one, I have a link prescription or the comment below. So it adjusting real good with this. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope y'all get a COVID vaccine shot. So hope that pandemic is over. All the people when it gets vaccinated. Hope you enjoy it, and thanks for watching.